The national government targets to vaccinate more than half of the country's population this year until 2022. But some members from the health sector believe there's no need to wait for a vaccine in dealing with COVID-19. A product developed by US Biotech firm Cytodyn seeks to prevent mild to moderate symptoms among COVID-19 patients from getting worse. This is called Leronlimab. Initial trials show that it can treat patients with severe to critical symptoms and prevent death among those infected. The product is also being tested on HIV and cancer cases. Similar to an insulin shot, patients can either inject themselves or do so with the help of a nurse. It's taken once a week, but most patients only need 2 doses to see its effects.
Leronlimab does not attack the virus, meaning to say it won't prevent you from getting an infection. What it does prevent is, one, it will prevent you from developing severe symptoms. It's not exactly a vaccine or something like that. It doesn't propose itself as such, but it will allow you to develop your own immune response to the virus.
Phase 2 trial for mild and moderate cases are done. Results for Phase 3 trial for severe and critical cases will be out in 2 to 3 weeks. If results are positive, health experts estimate it may take 1 week for the US Food and Drug Administration to approve the product for emergency use authorization. A pharma company in charge of handling permits for Leronlimab in the Philippines says that they can apply for a regular product registration from the Philippine FDA once it is registered in the US. The cost for Leronlimab has yet to be finalized, but the developer says they can allocate vials for the Philippines.
Assuming that the results are positive, we still will commit certain number of vials to Philippines.
As early as this year, patients may use Leronlimab through a Compassionate Special Permit or CSP.
Requests are made in the name of individual patients by their attending physicians.
The FDA says it welcomes all requests for a CSP. Shaila Francisco, We Are One News.